Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Importance of a kidney, colon and liver detox. The kidneys, colon, and liver are the major filtering organs of the body responsible for eliminating wastes and toxins. If the functions of these organs are weakened or impaired, toxins are likely to accumulate in your body. A kidney, colon and liver detox routine is important to the overall cleansing of the body. When toxins are properly cleansed from these filtering organs, then the body's ability to fight disease improves greatly. A kidney, colon and liver detox routine may also be the solution to get rid of common health complaints from headaches to mood swings and constipation. In a kidney, colon and liver detox program, the first step is to cleanse the colon, which is where waste is collected and from where waste is disposed. The movement of waste through this channel can be disrupted because of the lack of fiber in the diet and the insufficient absorption of water. It is very important to a kidney, colon and liver detox program to maintain a diet high in fiber, which acts as a natural colon scrub. You can also use colon cleansing supplements or an enema to clean your colon. As you make sure your colon is clean, you also need to take care of your kidneys. These organs constantly filter your blood to remove toxins from cellular waste to dietary toxins and all other harmful substances, so you can imagine how vital they are to life, which makes a kidney, colon and liver detox very important, indeed. An unhealthy kidney can result in several health problems including uremia, accumulation of metabolic waste at a toxic level, gout, buildup of uric acid, and kidney stones. A kidney, colon and liver detox routine that includes the proper dietary changes as well as the intake of detox herbs and supplements can effectively cleanse the kidneys and prevent diseases. Last, but certainly not the least, in a kidney, colon and liver detox is cleansing the liver, the primary organ of the body's detoxification process. It is also the main producer of proteins, amino acids and fat. At the same time, it stores glucose, the major source of energy of the body. It is also the main organ that breaks down carbohydrates, fat, and protein. With all of these vital functions, you can see the critical role that the liver plays in maintaining good health and why we need to make sure that is functioning properly. A kidney, colon and liver detox is essential in effectively preventing and relieving many ailments and achieving a healthy life. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.